Kusenjalo iNEDLAC ibimanxadanxada nanjengoko abaphathiswa bakarhulumente bebebambe intlanganiso engxamisekileyo neenkokheli kwezoshishino, abasebenzi noluntu ngokubanzi kushukuxwa umbandela wentsindabadala yombane wequmrhu lakwa Eskom. Umphathiswa wamashishini karhulumente uMnumzana Gordhan, owezimali uMnumzana Tito Mboweni, nowamandla nezimbiwa uMnumzana Gwede Mantashe ndawonye nowezemisebenzi nezengqesho uMnumzana Thulas Nxesi nabo bebeyizimasile lenhlanganiso.
Umhlangano ophuthumayo ukuzodingida isimo esibucayi sikagesi ezweni, ongqongqoshe nosihlalo webhodi le-Eskom uJabumabuza bachaze kabanzi izinkinga ezibhekene ne-Eskom.
I-stakeholders kaNEDLAC bezifumana i-briefing kwi-Minister of Finance, Minister of Public Enterprise, Minister of Energy, ukwenzela into kokuba makube khona impendulo kule ngxaki i-country kuyo inatsika yokungabikho kombane le-load shedding.
Kodwa ke abezamabhizinisi kanye nabezinyunyana bagxeke ibhodi labaqondisi be-Eskom bathi yilo lidala izinkinga.
The requisite skills that are within Eskom is there. We need to allow people who are skilled to do their jobs. We have the professionals, we have the experience and we have the expertise. I think the question is, one, at a leadership level, that very strict, decisive leadership is required, and the ethos of accountability has to be installed.
Ultimately, it's about operations, it's about the board giving strategic direction and about the board being able to take this country into greater security and into a position where we understand there will be no load shedding and that businesses can continue with doing the business of creating jobs and doing their work.
Ugcine kuvunyelwana ngokuthi kumele kubanjiswane ukulungisa isimo. Uhulumeni uzibophezele ekutheni uzonika izinkampani ezinkulu ezifunayo igunya lokuziphehlela owazi ugesi zingancinci ku-Eskom. I-Eskom yona izibophezele ekwenzeni konke okufunekayo ukuphaka ugesi ngendlela efanele. Kanti-ke bavume ngowelethu ukuthi wonke osebenzisa ugesi kumele awukhokhele. Ngibongela imutsho SABC eGoli.